Withdrawing funds from your Revolut account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This section displays your available balances in different currencies. Step 3. Select the currency. Choose the currency from which you want to withdraw funds. Tap on the specific account to view your balance and transaction options. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Tap on it to begin the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 5. Choose the withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or card withdrawal. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your notifications for updates on the status of your withdrawal.